Hello friends. Welcome to today's journey into the wonderful world of animals. Let's meet the wild animals first. Here comes the king of jungle, the lion.
Hello kids, my name is Lion, and I am king of jungle.
Here comes giraffe with his long neck.
Giraffe is a wild animal.
Friends, meet the zebra.
Zebra is a wild animal.
Friends, here comes the elephant.
Elephant is a wild animal.
Friends, here comes bear.
Bear is a wild animal.
Meet kangaroo.
Kangaroo is a wild animal.
Friends, deer is another wild animal. Friends, meet Mr. Panda. Panda is a wild animal. Dinosaur is a wild animal. Friends, monkey is a wild animal.
Hello friends. Now it's time to meet farm animals. Friends, cow is a farm animal.
Friends, sheep is a farm animal. Chicken is a farm animal.
Pig is a farm animal. Kids, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Friends horse another farm animal.
Duck is a farm animal.
There are 4 ducks swimming.
Friends rabbit is a farm animal. Kid's dog is a farm animal. Friend's donkey is another farm animal.
Friends, that was so much fun.
Friends, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.
Bye bye.